If you tell a client you're going to call them at 11 o'clock, call them at 11 o'clock. Call them at 11 o'clock. I couldn't call, my technician didn't have the paper, didn't even get the shop yet. How am I going to call my customer? Yeah, I've heard all the excuses. The only thing the customer knows is that you're going to call them 11. So I've actually, previous times, have called the customer at 11 saying, I'm calling you 11 because it's 11. Unfortunately, I don't have any information to give you yet because we haven't got the car in the shop yet, blah, blah. What you've done is you've kept that trust that you've called them at 11. They may not be happy that the car in the shop yet. You may have to hear a little bit of an earful, but stand by what you said you would do in the contract.